Welcome, y'all. We are going to be doing a rescue box recap this Monday. Happy Monday to everybody moving into the holiday season. I am actually going to be doing a recap over the Thredup Namebrand handbag rescue box that we did a month ago in our collab. If you didn't watch that, I will make sure to link it above so you can go back and see the bags. I don't have any pictures of the items because I never listed any of them. A couple sold to subscribers, and we'll get into what happened with each bag. But I'll describe them for you, and if you want to see the bags, you can go back and watch the video. I actually have like an issue with my ear, so hopefully I'm not screaming at you, or hopefully I'm not talking too quietly. But y'all, I had to go to urgent care last night for my ear. I woke up and it was hurting really bad, and I could tell it was like swimmer's ear because I do a lot of lap swimming. I've only ever had swimmer's ear one time, but I knew immediately that that's what it was. So I thought, well, I'll just wait till Monday, go to the doctor. Y'all, by last night, I was in such excruciating pain. I'm like, I have to get to an urgent care. Like, this is not normal. So I went in, and sure enough, ear infection. But my ear canal was so swollen, they couldn't even put drops in it. They had to like insert this thing into my ear to like get the stuff in. So I have this insert in my ear. I'm like, glad y'all can't see it. It's really deep in there. But it's like blocking my ear canal because it's allowing the drops to get through. And then they gave me all these shots. So I have been through it in the past 24 hours, but I get to take it out tomorrow. So I'll take it out before my unboxing tomorrow. So hopefully today you can hear me okay, or I'm not too loud. So if you need to turn me down, I get it. But just a little ear update over here. Anyways, tomorrow I'm going to be opening a Thredup Namebrand handbag box. I am hoping it was as good as this last one. I don't know if that was collab luck or the boxes are actually getting better, but that box was awesome. And stay tuned to the end of this video, because if you watch that, you remember I decided to give away the accessory. Well, it's still here a month later. The winner of the giveaway never reached back out to me to claim this. And I reached out to them again, and even in a different video, to let them know that they had won, and they never emailed me. And it's been a month, so we're moving on. So I'm picking a new giveaway winner today. Stay tuned to the end of the video. I will put the clip of pulling that name in there. So if you're watching this video, you'll know. And then I will also go in and reply to that comment in the video. So hopefully, hopefully someone will claim this bag. And this was by far probably the most commented on bag. And it's the one I'm giving away, y'all. So stay tuned for that and see if you won. Okay. This particular Namebrand handbag box, it runs $100 on Thredup. And then, of course, you have to add in the taxes and the shipping. So when I bought this one, it was on sale. And I don't remember which sale they were running, but they were running some sale for 30% off, which is why I decided to order it. And a bunch of us had ordered it, and so that's why we did the collab. Anyways, the box is originally $100. It was 30% off. And then, of course, and then I had a $10, I don't know if it was a rewards credit or if it was some other type of credit, but I had another $10. So I got $40 off this box. I did have to pay for shipping and taxes. So my total cost for this box was $76.59. I went and looked it up. Aren't y'all proud? So let's get into this box. So this box contains 4 bags. I don't remember, 5 bags of accessory. I'm such an expert, y'all. I honestly don't do this box very much, but we'll go through each item. I know what was in here. And I do have one bag that hasn't sold, and so I will give you guys a clearance price on that one if anyone is interested in purchasing it, because I haven't listed it either. The first item that I pulled out of the box was the accessory, and I have never gotten a bag as an accessory before in one of these boxes. It's usually a wallet or a wristlet. Look at how gorgeous this is. I absolutely love this nylon bag. I did wipe it down. There was some scuffing, so I did clean it for the winner. This one obviously hasn't sold. It would have sold. I had some y'all email me and ask me to buy this. But we're giving it away. It's in great shape. So yeah, that was the accessory. Great first item in good condition. But for the purposes of the video, that one's a 0. One of you lucky guys are going to get it. Okay, the next item that was in the bag was a red Michael Kors tiny tote or satchel. Itty bitty, kind of the same size as this one. And it had gold hardware. There was some of the edge coating missing from one of the handles, but it did come with a crossbody strap. And that one got taken by my mother. She has never, ever asked me for a bag before. And she wanted that one. So that one was also a 0. The next item that was in the bag was, in my opinion, outside of this pink Kate Spade, my second favorite bag. And that was a blue leather, kind of like in a Tiffany blue, so pretty, structured satchel bag. It also came with the strap. It had the strap inside in excellent condition. There was a little white mark on the top, and I was able to clean that off. There's a little bit of staining on the inside, not bad at all, just like some makeup. I wiped that out. It was in great shape. Zippers worked, all the things. That did sell to a subscriber for $50. The next item that was in the box was another Kate Spade. I was like, woohoo, Kate Spade. And that was this very large, structured, kind of like a straw bag, but it was lined. So it had kind of that spring straw bag feel, but in an elevated way. So it's like the white straw, then kind of a tan straw, and then it had a big white leather bow across the top. It was gorgeous, and that was in a shoulder bag. Also in excellent condition. The inside was super clean. There was a little bit of some sort of stain or something on the side. I did wipe that down before I shipped. Most of it came out. And that did sell to a subscriber for $40. Now, the last bag that was in the box, actually I might have skipped that around. This might have been the next bag, and then the Kate Spade one was last bag. But anyway, the last one is this really cool Michael Kors gray, kind of metallic. It's not really metallic. It's got a shimmer to it though. Bag. It's got the Michael Kors hang on the front. I remember commenting that this would be big enough to put, honestly, could probably fit my small laptop in here. You could definitely put a tablet. It's got the partial chain and then leather strap. On the back of the bag, it's got the slip pocket. You can see the material on the inside there. The inside of the bag is, it's got a magnetic closure right there, pretty strong. You've got the large zipper pocket, and then you've got the 2 different size slips. There's the branding, and on this side you also have 2 more slips, and then you can see the inside of the bag. It's very clean. Now, the issue with this bag, when I first unboxed it, I thought that this was like kind of dirty, right? And I just need to wipe it off. This is actually wear. So I think it's like kind of scuffed or scraped through this gray layer to the actual leather of the bag. It is on the corners and on these corners here. So that is, and then it's kind of very lightly throughout the bag. You can see some here. There's some on the back here. But that is truly the only thing that is wrong with this bag. And I don't really think it's that noticeable, honestly. Now, I could try to retouch this a little bit, but I haven't messed with it. So I was asking in my video $30 for this bag. I will do it for $15 if anyone is interested. You do also have to pay shipping. It'll probably be priorities around $9, or I could fold it if you're okay with that and maybe get into a flat rate for like 8 something. So you can let me know. If you're interested, just email me at stinaresells@gmail.com. So to recap the box cost me $76.59. My 2 sales totaled $90. And so my profit on this box was $13.40. And honestly, y'all, that's not bad considering this one I could have sold. The one my mom took I could have sold. And then I still have a bag left to sell. So let me know what you guys think. Tune in tomorrow. I'll be opening another one. We will see if it was as good as this one. And stay tuned for the next clip to see maybe if you won the most adorable Kate Spade nylon bag. Bye, y'all.
Okay, we are going to pick the winner for the Kate Spade accessory. I've got a random comment picker here. Let's see who wins. Teresa, congratulations. I will make sure to reply to this comment in the video, letting you know you won in case you don't see this. And all you have to do is send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com to claim the bag. YouTube is not any way associated with this giveaway, and I will cover all the shipping expenses to get that cute little pink bag to you. Congratulations.